Are you thinking of replacing your Lapel, Indiana home's windows? Learning about the benefits of energy-efficient windows can help you decide. Of course, we know energy-efficient windows make your home more beautiful, but they also provide many other advantages. First, energy-efficient windows help you save on energy bills by reducing heat loss and preventing cold drafts. Say goodbye to those chilly winter nights. Energy-efficient windows save you tons of money. With their increased insulation, you'll lower your heating and cooling costs throughout the whole year. Also, don't forget about comfy calmness. Energy-efficient windows reduce outside noise, giving you a quieter and more peaceful living space. Energy-efficient windows also block harmful UV rays, protecting your furniture, your flooring, and your artwork from fading and sun damage. This also allows natural light inside without any risk. Last but not least, energy-efficient windows strengthen your Madison County home's security. With their durable materials and advanced locking systems, you can rest easy knowing your loved ones and belongings are safe. So, why wait? Experience the benefits of energy-efficient windows today. Contact Clemens Home Solutions at 765-358-7535 and let us transform your Lapel, Indiana home into a comfortable, cost-efficient, and secure haven.